So you go up the hill to get ready. Okay, Jane, you better move. Are you running away from Sebastian? Sebastian's not even in the car yet. I just didn't want you standing right in front of him. Go! Woo! Sebastian, was that fun? Look at mommy. Sebastian, look at mommy. Was that fun? Was that fun? Maybe tomorrow. Oh, here comes Shaden. Ready, set, go! Yay! Oh! You okay? Can you say hi to Grandpa?
Hi, Grandpa.
We miss you.
Miss you.
Say bye-bye.